Fear, it stops them stepping into the light of their own self. It is this lovely saying that people are not so much afraid of the darkness as of their light, of their own power, of their own potential. What are we all so afraid of? We are afraid of our shadows. We are afraid of the darkness inside of us. We are afraid of the dark. We are like children. Part of the mystical journey is to face that darkness. You need the sword of your own aspiration to go into the darkness inside of yourself and to face that darkness. And then you discover that it isn't quite as dark after all. And then you begin to discover the light. There is so much to do, there is so much light to bring into the world. You see, every human being has their own unique note to play in the symphony of life. And when it is played, then it makes the most beautiful contribution that nobody else can make. Nobody else can ring that particular note